Number 8, well, just start with distributing through. 2 times 3n, 6n, 2 times 1, 2. Negative 9 plus 6n. Get all variables on one side, numbers on the other. Ooh, I subtract 6n. Something interesting looks like it's going to happen here. Negative 2 equals a negative 9. How often is that true? How often does negative 2 equal negative 9? When the variables disappeared, I noticed it was a special case where either everybody works or nobody works. In this case, this is a false statement, which will never happen. That means there's, don't know what that was, that's no solution. If it's a false statement you end up with when all the variables disappear, that means nobody works. If it's a true statement like 3 equals 3, then everybody works, all real numbers. Number 9. Well, I need to distribute this negative sign through. So I have negative 4n minus 2n. Negative n minus a negative 4 changes to a plus 4 equals the n minus 4. Now, clean this up before we start moving pieces. So lose 4, lose 2. You've lost 6, lose 1 more. I've lost 7 plus 4 equals n minus 4. Move that variable over. I'm going to subtract n from both sides. Negative 8n plus 4 equals a negative 4. Now I need to move my number over. So I subtract 4. Negative 8n equals negative 8. Well, divide by negative 8, divide by negative 8. N is 1. Number 10, okay, absolute value. When I have this, I'm probably going to end up with 2 solutions. Well, the first step, I have the absolute value, minus 8 equals 9. So I need to move that minus 8 over. So I'm going to add 8 to start. And I get the absolute value of n plus 1 equals 17. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to break it into the n plus 1 equaling positive 17, or the n plus 1's a negative 17. Inside here, I know it's got to be 17 or negative 17. The absolute value of either one of those equals a positive 17. So there's going to be 2 solutions here. So I want to say, hey, when are you going to equal positive? When are you going to equal the negative? This is going to be an or. Subtract 1, n is equal to 16 is one possibility. Negative 18 is the other. So I put down 16 or negative 18. If you plug in 16 plus 1, that's 17. Absolute value of 17 minus 8 is 9. Plug in negative 18. Negative 18 plus 1 is negative 17. But the absolute value of negative 17 is 17 minus 8 is 9. Number 11, I'm going to start off by dividing by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. Absolute value of n plus 9 equals a 6. So I was like, hey, 2 possibilities could equal 6, or that n plus 9 could come out to be a negative 6, because the absolute value of negative 6 will give us a 6. Take away 9 from both sides here. Negative 3. Take away 9, take away 9. Negative 15 is my other possibility.